Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So on today's video we are going to make a very simple breakfast bowl. We will use a cup of coconut milk, a cup of mango, 2 tablespoons for toppings to go on the breakfast bowl, and we have a handful of blueberries and some baby spinach, avocado, and 2 bananas. We are going to use 1 banana as a topping. So we will start. This is very simple. It doesn't even take a minute. So for me, I just grab my spinach with a handful. So the spinach is already pre-washed and ready to cook. 1 cup of coconut milk. This is a very sugar-free milk. We're going to use our mango right here. We'll use a cup. It's very simple. This is for 2 servings, and then we will get our avo and drop it in. My hands were clean as I started this process. So that's our avo. We don't use any water for this recipe because you want it to be like a smooth bowl. You don't want it to be very runny like the smoothie, because you're going to be eating this with a spoon. And that's our banana. So we're going to whip all these ingredients. Start your blender. So our smoothie is ready. You can see it doesn't even spill out. You have to do it. It's not very runny. It's very creamy. All you do is put it on your bowls. This is for a serving of 2. So we serve. Make sure you pour out all your contents. And this is what I normally make for breakfast most of the time. I just like to make sure that everybody gets some good serving. I'll grab a piece of paper and make sure that presentation matters. You have to make sure that presentation looks good. So we will top it up with our bananas like that. But you can use a topping of your choice. Then some ugu. It's very fast. My hands are sticky from the banana. Oh gosh. So this is grounded flax. You can choose to use regular seeds, but for me I prefer the grounded one. So we will take a tablespoon of each. That's our breakfast. We will put our blueberries, a topping like that, and like that. So we are done. We are done. That's our vegetarian smoothie bowl. It's all plant-based because the coconut milk is all, it's non-dairy. It's just plant. So thank you so much for watching today's video.